hungry and anxious, trying to trade while I was driving, which I'm usually pretty good at, but yeah, not today.
No, bro. No, no, no. Just no.
Yeah.
I don't even try to do that. Okay, then let me try to FTO Ninja screen. Yeah, it should be the same. Screen quality maximum performance. No, no. Maximum enable. Um, you should just make sure that on the browser, like source browser, you somehow allow like the max quality too. I don't know if you can.
The custom frame, shut down.
Wait, you're streaming already or no?
No, not yet. Um, Source, visible, refresh browser, read access to OBS status info.
No, but you are live, bro.
Oh, we're live?
Mhm.
Oh, okay.
Good morning, everyone. Good evening.
Good morning.
Mm,
These messages. Okay.
okay,
We are unmuted. All right, everybody. Welcome to the price of patience, where the price of patience is less expensive than the price of regret. How's everybody
always,
out there?
always. Good morning, everyone. Good evening. First thing you saw was me getting stopped from the scalp, so all good. But I think we are on our way down. Um, Yesterday, what did we have yesterday? I said we might go a little bit higher, fix those highs, fix the move that we had day before, and come back down. And I think that's what happened because I marked this rectangle here, the zone, what I thought it should be repaired. Um, how this moved down like a one big fair value gap. We almost filled it and we came straight back down basically. With that move, we entered the previous week value area high, which I mentioned on Monday or Tuesday, and I believe we are on our way down to at least 30k, around 30k, maybe a little bit lower, to revisit this point of control of the previous week, and then we have to see if we're gonna hold there or we have some more room to the downside to fill the whole value area. Since it's Friday, I don't know what to expect. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at, and right now I'm looking to scalp short until we hit 30k. Then I'm gonna see what's going on. That was the long story short.
Couldn't agree more. We're looking for a break of the 30,000 level on MQ, which is well over, 100 points from here. What I've spotted is a head and shoulders on higher time frames that is taking us down to the bottom of the head and shoulders for me is, well, it's a little lower. Okay. Sheesh, wait a minute. I want to say, huh, did we bounce from there? Interesting. All right, yeah. So the bottom of the Head and Shoulders, I believe, is come on. I'm lagging a little bit. It's right around the 30,000 mark for the next level down. And then the absolute bottom that I'm seeing is 29,762, 87. I don't know why it's 87. 29,762, 75 or something like that. Okay, so we're just looking for a price to come under, break 30,000 and then come another 300 points. So I don't know if we're going to get that whole drop tonight. It's very unlikely, but unlikely things have happened today. So,
Just a second, you're not sharing your screen, right? So let me show what you're doing.
oh yeah, sure, can.
So you said some kind of Head and Shoulders. Okay, that's okay.
Right.
And you
So I
said your
will,
target would be
target would be right about here. So let me go on a higher time frame because it'll look a lot cleaner on the
I'm on
hourly.
folio.
Yeah, the 4 hours good. Um, come on. I don't know why it's okay. Here we go. Okay, good. So should be able to see it. It looks ugly on the 1 hour, but boom, this whole thing is getting undone. This whole move up that started here is getting undone. Or scenario two. So let's talk about the bull case. All right, let's say this is just a pullback. And if it is, we
Change
can
your
do a
screen.
bid. Oh, okay, let me change it over. Let me change it over.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, we'll just do that. Okay, very good. Should be able to see now. All right, great. So scenario one, which is, my base case, I believe, and I have a fair bias because we just fell so aggressively today. All right, but let's go to the 4 hour. Let's take a look at this. So my base case here is that this was a Head and Shoulders that started right around 29,729. Okay, I mean, you could argue this Head and Shoulders started all the way down here at 28,660. We're talking about NQ. But let's just say my TP1 on this huge Head and Shoulders that's forming would be here. All right, so if we're just going off of this rally here, which happened after a nice little consolidation and a retest, kind of like a double bottom, then we can use this fibs to presume where this thing may stop, right? So if we're going off of the fibs, we're already past the 50% mark. We're past the
Okay.
38.2% mark. And we're heading towards the 23. So this has become bearish if we break through this 38.2. So it's basically we have to turn around right now and head back up, or this is becoming a downtrend. All right. Otherwise, we can make a beautiful higher low here and keep this trend intact. It'd be ugly, but we can keep this trend intact. And we could just start to move higher. Now, there's one more case here. All right. The case that the bottom of this flag is actually, or the bottom of this rally is actually 28,637. Which we really haven't stopped going up on the 4 hour and since then. The 4 hour uptrend was just broken. So the last thing I do is do a fib here from this low at 28 all the way to the top. And let's see if this uptrend is still intact. Okay, so we're going off of the base case that the bottom of this trend is 28,646, and it ran all the way up 2,000, 2,200 points just about, then we're looking at a 38.2 fib retracement at 29,509, which, it does line up with some consolidation.
Mm.
All right, so we could have a level here that holds up, and if we start to turn around here, then this could still be, a bullish scenario. I would actually look over to this consolidation here at the 50% mark, and I would expect some sort of a rally to happen here as well. So keep that area of interest in mind. And that has confluence with my first theory. So I'm thinking case one, head and shoulders. It's going to stop around 29,750. All right. Case two, head and shoulders that comes all the way down to 28,678. Case three, we're still bullish. We're going to turn around right here where we're at. This is the bottom. We're going to start going up. Case four, we're bullish, but we're not going to go up until we get down to 29,493. So these are kind of our different scenarios that could happen. We got to be ready for any of them. So the good thing is I only need 75 points on NQ to hit my target.
More than doable in today's conditions.
Super doable in today's conditions. I think we, over the last 4 hours, we had a drop of
Mm. Mm-hmm.
250, about 250. So yeah, over the last 8 hours, almost 400 points. So no problem. So that's my TA for you guys. Definitely feel free to leave a comment or write us in the chat if you have any questions. Um, you know, Trading's all about getting your questions answered and just leveling up.
Very well said, my friend.
Want to switch it back to you? You got anything you want to add?
You can. I'm in some short that it's cooking right now. My very small time frame scalping, or already took some profits here. I'm waiting for TP2, but this also might bounce back up very easily. So I'm thinking about maybe just cutting here, taking my 500, 400. Um, but but I think we are coming lower, so I might also just leave it. Um, it's risk to reward right now. It's risk-free trade. Already secured some profit. So if I get stopped, I'm more or less, my stop loss is not in profit yet, but almost. If we lose this loss here, I'm gonna put it in profit. So it's a risk-free trade for me. Yeah. That's it. Let's see. I want to scalp here 20 out of 30 contract. Then I can leave 10 runners to hit my target lower, like to 30K if it happens. If it happens, because if what we just said is true and will happen, I think this might have been the top for this session. Very nice rejection on the 5 minute of the 14 SMA this week with my entry. That's why I guess Donovan called me Nick the Week. But everything is possible here. So as we can see, I just got stopped here. No, I did not. Okay, my bad. My bad. Almost. But right now, with this move, I don't want to risk anything. I will just put my stop loss into the profit and fine. And fine. Which is also maybe not the best idea because we might come back down immediately, right? But that's why we can re-enter. That's why we can re-enter. Yeah, 5 minute has Well, if we close here, like above the 14 SMA on 5 minute, I wouldn't even be bearish for the moment. But let's see. I don't know what I did here. 450, okay. Yeah. So I left another 500 on the table, but that's fine. You have to do that sometimes. I
But
wanna go short
that's
here
sweet,
again.
man. Um,
Short here.
active, you know. You're gone.
Mm. No, where's my stop loss? Bro, my stop loss did not. I just gave back what I made because my stop loss was not set. What? Ah. Okay, that was not what I wanted. Hmm.
This is it.
Bro, that was unfortunate. Okay, never mind. Nothing lost. $60. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. Um, okay, you're streaming my screen. I wanted to say don't show all of your credentials to the world.
Yeah, yeah. Your screen is streaming.
Oh, okay, okay. Wow, what a nice push up. Oh, but well, that was unfortunate. Never mind. On to the next one. Lesson learned. Lesson learned.
Yeah, we reclaimed this the 38.2 fib.
Yeah, and
So
14 also, we reclaimed 14 SMA, it seems. And 10 minutes is giving me this nice trigger wave to the upside. So we might see a small push up, maybe touch the 30 minutes 14 SMA.
curious to see if we're gonna give it all back and take back this entire drop.
And then come back again. That's also possible. I mean, it's with thank you never know. But I'm gonna stick with scalping. Yesterday it worked for me, so I'm gonna just stick with it. Um, I just want to see if we continue this uptrend. And I'm on 15 seconds, so don't, you know, uh,
Mhm.
basically scalping one 5 minute candle. The floor is curving to the upside, so we might see a push up. We might see another push up. I might try long, but I'm not 100% sure that I want to do that. That's the thing. That's the thing. I have one, two, three, but the money flow is coming up. So that's 1 minute, 5 seconds telling me it wants to come down. Well, let's see. If we come up now in 5 seconds and we don't manage to break the high, I'm gonna go short. This could also be a short here, but I don't want to risk it now because risk to reward, if I go short here and I cover this long, that's more than I can risk, right? Much more. So I have to wait. We broke the low. Now let's see if we make a lower high. I will try to go short again. Where's my ship here? That's too much. We don't need that much. That's our short, I think. Is it?
There it is. I got the MACD back over there. Okay. Um. Hmm.
If it drops, I want it to drop immediately. So I'm putting my stop loss immediately, very close to the entry, because if I want to see it flush, I want to see flush now. And I should be ready to take profits very quickly. So I'm gonna start setting my limit orders along the way. Along the way, my limit orders.
I just learned you can do 10 contracts. You can do 10 mini contracts on these things.
Oh wow, yeah, 100 micros, right? Yeah.
I would never. I'm
Never ever.
a
I,
risky guy, but
I'm
that's
just
for the
waiting. I'm just waiting that you go like, oh well, uh, well, I did it.
like. Well, I only need this many. I only need this many points if I do it this way.
Yeah, you need
Really, if I do
5
it that way,
points.
I need 20, 25 points.
Yeah, yeah.
With 9 contracts, 25 points is my daily goal.
That's
So,
why I'm scalping 5-second time frame with 45 contract, and it's working. It's working.
mhm.
This is printing. TP1 is hit. Stop loss in the break even. I have 500 profits, so I want to see a little bit more before I start taking more profits. Limit order is here, but so I'm gonna take another limit here below the lows. That will put me to 25, right? And I can set another 15 limit order a little bit lower, limit by lower, and then we can adjust it faster. Mm, let's see. Let's see. Maybe I should take more probably. I should probably take more here. Yeah, I'm gonna take 10 more contracts here. There we go. Okay. 25 adjusted. I'm gonna put my stop loss here above the uh, recent highs. So I'm making money either way. And where is my 15, my limit? And do I want to get stopped here? I don't want to get stopped, but if I get stopped, I guess it's fine, right? Yeah, 30 seconds. 9 is a little bit higher, so we will probably stop me first and then continue. Yeah. Okay.
What's that? What's that?
Okay. I made $500. That's not bad. Now I want to see. I want to see continuation, but I guess I have to find some kind of a resistance. Maybe we already found it with this 9 EMA, 14 SMA on 30 seconds. 5 minutes. I have 5 minutes on my other screen. Yeah, that was a bearish candle, the previous one. VWAP is curving to the downside, so I guess we can try maybe 25 contracts, not 45. And try to aim lower. Now, where's this trade? No, okay, limit order. Let's try with limit order, but okay, we are in. And okay. If I want to add here, I probably should not add right now. Well, opa, here we go. Perfect re-entry. But with half of the size, half of the original position. Mhm. I'm not adding here now, we can just let it play out.
It's valid, but I wouldn't make it that color. Let's make this a green. It's a level. Cool.
Do we have equity 49.3, so 7 and 330, 700 I should make on this count. Not impossible, but how is that? Wait a minute, how is that possible? If I made, oh yeah, makes sense. Yeah, all good. Mhm.
Prices. Oh, okay, cool. But it's consolidating, so let me zoom
It
in.
is. It is.
Consolidated, but it wants to break out pretty soon. Getting close. It's getting close. Yeah, shit. I only need 2 points. I'm only scalping 2 points, bro. It's
Oh,
crazy.
don't tell me that you're going with 100 and whatever contract.
No, no, no. I'm going with somewhere between 3 and 6. Usually 3.
Minis.
Minis, maybe.
Yeah, okay.
But for 8 points.
Yeah.
I mean, not 8 points for 8 ticks.
Oh,
So two
wow,
points.
what?
Uh, 2 points is all I need.
Blasted up. Back to 180.
Hey,
Okay.
perfect. 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 Perfect.
Yeah.
Just a little higher.
But you're looking for shorts, right?
I'm looking for shorts. I just want a reaction off of this level for 2 points. Here. Perfect.
Order filled. Order filled.
There we go. And just like that, $200.
Let's go.
So
Lovely.
I'm gonna try and I'm looking at key levels. I've marked up key levels, and to be safe, I'm really just gonna take reactions off the key levels because the rejection gives me the 2 points that I need and then some, with like little to no drawdown.
Yeah. Then when
That's
I'm
the
scalping, that's what I want to see. No drawdown.
yeah, exactly.
Oh, I was late. Now for to short this move.
I need
But 5 minutes is looking funky, like it wants to come up a little bit. I don't know. Overall bearish, but short, immediate short term.
yeah. I mean, we could sweep the highs.
I'm not sure. It's funky, like those wicks on the on like upper wicks on 5 minutes, 5 minute time frame.
Yeah, it looks like it wants to push through this where these wicks are. We're gonna make a higher. If we can
Mm,
close above, if we can make a candle close where that last wick is on the
mm,
5 minute, then okay, it's confirmed. We're gonna make a higher high as far as I'm
yeah,
concerned. But then again, I gotta see what pattern this is when I zoom out. It looks like some sort of pennant, but it could just be a bear flag. I don't even know. They've been throwing so much at us lately.
yeah. Failed breakouts, breakouts from nowhere.
Pushing up
It's
wouldn't be
pushing
crazy.
up. I got pair now. Okay, 250. Oh, okay, give it a break now. At 5 minute closes in 1 minute and a little bit. So let's see. This is a triangle on five. Um, this is what concerning me. Also, this money flow to the upside. We might see some kind of a push and then flush. But if I'm
Order
scalping, then I
filled.
need to know the direction, right? Mm. Although this is bear div on 5 seconds.
Order filled.
That is not playing out, it seems. Okay, fair enough.
All right, I got another scalp in.
Very good. Very good that I did not go in here. Okay, that's a double top. Can we take the high? Okay, we took the high. With another set of lower high on the market cipher B. Let me see, let me see. No, it keeps pushing. Okay, okay, good, that good.
In the level.
Mm, I'm happy I did not enter into this.
Say this is a good
Yeah,
time.
we closed the candle higher, so we will probably see a push here.
Yeah.
Order filled.
I cannot. Can
Order
I?
filled.
This should have been a long immediately.
Well, I got three trades so far. I'm at 600.
Nice, nice.
Take it easy, but just thinking all it takes is one rip pullback and undo a lot of their progress.
This might belong here.
Yeah, I'm just gonna be
Or
patient.
scalp. Let's see. Risking too much here, so come on, continue. What can we take? I guess we can take all these highs. Can take all this weeks. That's 233. That's it. 230. Stop. No. But now I wanna short this. I'm late already. I'm late already.
D-Day group. Get a little group trade, copy trade these two until if I lose a trade, then I'm gonna separate them. But until I lose a trade, I'm gonna copy trade. Let's see.
Hmm.
D-Day.
What did just happen? My stop loss and my take profit disappeared. I'm still in. What?
What's going on? It sounds like you're glitching, bro.
Bro, this is the second time now. What did just happen? Oh, I think, okay, I blew the account. Okay. But it's glitching. Yeah, it is glitching. Okay, no big deal.
Retesting.
And look,
Well,
but it was the perfect end, and now it's coming down. Okay. New one. Now I have to wait. Now I have to chill a little bit. I have to chill a little bit.
yeah, I'm trying to be really careful. I just blew an account today, so I'm not trying to do that again.
No, me neither, of course, but um, yesterday I funded one, a blue one. As long, and I still have both of my funded, and I still have to activate one more funded, so that's three funded accounts. Well, that's fine, and then next week, then I can trade those funded accounts. And this was the perfect short, bro. I should have went in. I should have went in. I am not listening to myself.
Man. Yeah, there's nothing clean right now to get into. I'm just watching.
I'm just watching like the
Watching.
5 minute structure. That was for me. That was a this thing we broke down again, retest like a lower high and continue. If not that, then this was the entry here. So this would with the position that I go in, this would probably 700-800 bucks. Okay, let's see now. See, now it's giving me. I'm not sure if I want to go in now. I'm
Trade
not
the
sure I want to go here. This is now probably getting ready for a pullback higher. Let's see. No, no, no. Yeah, probably yes. Yes, exactly. What did I say?
Yeah,
Exactly what I
I
said, right?
have like a little level here that I'm just broke above and then back below. So I don't know what it wants to do till it closes. I don't know, the 15-minute candles are very interesting right now. We'll get a new one in a second. Okay, we're above. We
Back
closed
up.
above the level on 15.
Yeah, we did.
All right, higher high incoming going on. Ah, fuck. Can't do bracket orders with a group, so no group trades today. Because I'm not going to manually exit anything. Needed to hit my TP and take me up out of there. All right, let me enter on a lower time frame because it's going to be tough being accurate on the 15-minute.
Nope. Yeah. I almost said some things. No, I got. Look at this. Okay, let's make a break. 5 oh minus. Okay.
What is going on with this thing? Like candles aren't loading.
But the slippage is also bad at the moment, bro.
Yeah, no, the spread is terrible. Like, as soon as I get in the trade, I'm down.
Hmm.
It's like it's a very low volume week right now.
Yeah, exactly what you said. And then I have my stop loss set at like 250. It takes 350 out of me easy. That's too much.
I'm gonna change into something warmer and grab some tea. I'll be back.
Yep. Do your them. I guess it's the best to stay away right now. This one is almost done. Okay, I have to reduce this. Oh my god. Hey, what would this be if we go up 40 something? We can try 40 something. Can try 40. Say 40. It's 15. Down here. And then we can put another in here. If we even reach that. Ah, ugly price action. To chop and continues. I did not want to risk. Okay. To take a break and see what they want to do. What they even do here? How is everyone doing? Scalping is not working for me at the moment. I was long, then I stopped it out in profits, and this would have been a tippy one. 5 minutes. He's trying to push higher. I want to see if these highs will be taken or just retested. If we just retest and reject here, this will be continuation lower to down to 30k approximately. If we reclaim, I guess this, then we might come back down, retest the 400s. Actually, we have the previous week previous week value area high at around 270. So we might retest that too. But then if we zoom out even more, let's say 1 hour,
All right, I'm
this is
back. I think my
also
phone died.
okay. Welcome back. Um, Interesting market structure also, even on 1 hour, like lower highs, lower lows. Then we had some kind of a break of structure here on 1 hour, and then we made another lower low. So very tricky, I think. So I guess if you manage to catch these bigger trends, that's good. Or for me, what works the most is like very low time frames and just scalping. Um, and again, right now I got faked out. Uh, I jumped out of the position that would have been TP'd right now, but okay. Uh, On to the next one. Market structure is market structure. Is it 30 minutes or 30 seconds? Doesn't matter. It's market structure.
Oh, we already rejected that. Oh, come on. Oh, my computer's lagging so much. I can't. Come
Oh,
on.
okay.
All right, here we go.
Okay.
Now,
So do we have
now I'm
some technical
operational.
issues or are we good? I think we're
Oh no,
good.
we're
We're
good.
good.
We're good. It was just like I'm trying to enter a trade and it's like lagging. I can't even at
Mm.
least I'm doing like limit orders. So if I'm scared to press market because it might,
Mm-hmm.
delay and get in at the wrong time. Oh, we're gonna bust through this thing. When we
Yeah, it
bust through
seems
this
so.
level,
Seems so. I had a good entry, but I got faked. I got scared out.
yeah, it does that. Does that. Here we go. We broke the next key level. Got to close above it though. It's a monster candle right now.
Wow.
but this looks like it's the
Yeah.
beginning of the uptrend. I might have been right with that scenario three where this is the bottom.
Yeah, it
And
could be.
it could
You
be
could.
going
We
back up.
might see actually see yeah today because it's 5 minutes. Well,
Mhm.
let's see. Let's see.
See if it'll be a U-shaped recovery or we're gonna break out of this pattern and just go back down. This could just be a bear flag. My next key level is all the way up here. Put a limit order here too.
This would have been TP2 here. Yeah. Well, never
Sheesh.
mind. Never mind.
All right, we are retesting the breakout and let's see us pass this test. 1, 2. I was thinking about to go. This thing's about to go. Any
Mm.
pullback you can get in. Let's see. 1, 2. Come on. Pull back and touch the level. Just want to see it touch it. There's that right there. Yeah, you know what? I'll put an order there. Yeah. Can I? That'd be great, bro.
Order rejected.
I won't even try to get into this now.
Oh, I can't add any orders because it's too
You
many
have.
contracts. It's too many contracts. I gotta clear my pending
Mm.
order. That's why. Okay, I get it. There we go. Okay,
Order
this is what I
filled.
wanted. Boom. Come on, 2 points. I'm just asking for 2 points. Shit. The spread was terrible, so I am like barely in profit. Okay, draw down,
Order
profit.
filled.
All right, we got another one. Okay, 4 for 4.
Old man strategy, huh?
Yeah, I'm risking. It's not really that nice. I'm risking 16 points to get 8.
Oh
16 points to
no.
get 8. It's not good.
No. It should be other way around.
It certainly should, yeah. But I don't want to get stopped out on something. Like I'm only entering this trade when I know I'm gonna get 8 points or 8 ticks. Keep saying points. It's 2 points. 8 ticks.
2 points, yeah. I think, yeah.
But that's the beauty of futures, man, where you can really like you can build any kind of strategy you want.
Oh yeah.
Like I could even target 1 point. I
Yeah.
could target 4 ticks if I wanted. And shit.
Yeah, just don't make sure that your stop loss is like just I mean, I want to say just make sure that your stop loss is not like 12 ticks then.
Yeah, I mean it's not a good time for the strategy because of the spread. It's not really a good time to trade because of the spread, but I'm only taking the very specific setups right now. And I'm not even gonna try my luck at doing it more than once in the same spot. This I would want to do it again right now, but I don't know if this is gonna become a double top, or if we're gonna reject or what.
Exactly.
I'm not taking any chances. Well, I am. It's impossible to trade without taking a chance. Okay. I'm taking as little risk as I can. feel like I owe it to myself to be careful. Like if I had my $800 in profit in my hand right now, would I squander it on a maybe? If only I can hold that thought.
Mm.
Bubble, bubble, bubble. Does that count? No, what's going on right now? I think we're about to get a parabolic push up, but let's see if I'm right. Maybe we need a little pullback.
I'm on 5 minutes just watching if this will make a higher high or it will reject around here or what will happen.
I mean, Occam's razor is a theory. It's a theory that the most obvious thing is the most likely thing.
Ah,
And
yeah,
right,
but I was shorting first. I made money, then I continued with shorting, and I got burned a little bit. So now I just want to, see
mhm.
what's going on. Sometimes I'm able to change the bias quickly. Sometimes I need a few minutes, 10, 15, 20 minutes just to see what the market is doing.
So
And if
I
we are
yeah,
bullish, then we are approaching a nice long area. Um,
yeah, I'm looking for a long off of the top of the wicks below, just for 2 points.
we also nice 14 SMA retest. So
I think it already tested it.
on three,
Let's see my
yeah, on
order.
three we touched, and on two we touched both EMAs. Yeah, AMA and SMA.
These the fees are crazy. I made 960 bucks, but I only have 876 in profit. So almost $100 in fees. Crazy. All right. You got some price going up. Yeah. Didn't come to my entry. It did not. So like 210. I was trying to get it to come all the way down to 210. Mm,
Well, I'm in a small long here, very tight stop loss, and yeah, it won't pay out. That's the thing. I'm not willing to risk anything, and
yeah, it's almost like that account that I had that was 50 cents away from being blown. Like you gotta find a move where you're gonna instantly be in profit.
yeah, but well,
Easier said than done, of course.
yeah. And this was a nice rejection actually to go lower. Okay. See, we're talking about bullishness. Now I'm gonna be bullish, and the market will come down. By the time it comes down, move will be done. So okay, I have to recalibrate here because this will. It doesn't need to like cost me money if I don't go in, right? That's fine, but it will cost me time. So I won't find a play for myself because of the bias. But if I'm looking at 30 minutes, this definitely looks like it wants to have another bullish candle up. So next 25 minutes, I think we
Order
might go
filled.
up. 15 minutes,
Order
same.
filled.
Next 10, 25 minutes up. Then 10 minutes, well, 10 minutes had a topping week, so it looks like buyers are slowing down. 5 minutes does look the same, like buyers slow down a little bit on the top, but we are approaching the nine. We are on at 9 EMA on 5 minutes, and we have 14 SMA, just 20 points lower. But then at the same time, SMAs are, I mean, SMA and EMA are they're following each other, but they're crossing over also like one, two, three times in last uh, couple of hours.
Yeah, it's
So
like a
it's
no
not a
trade
clear
zone.
trend.
Mm-hmm.
Um, then 3 minute is also giving me this bullish money flow that should continue, but actually we are coming back to green, back to red. So, is this a double top and revisiting the lows here? Is
We
this
won't know
it?
until this candle closes, but I see what you're saying.
Is
'Cause yeah,
this it?
that was
30 seconds, it's curving. You know what? Dang it, I will fire up a short here. I will try to trust market cipher on lower time frames over higher time frames because we had a massive move down anyway. So
I
this
mean, if
may
it's
have been just a fake pump.
well, if
Let's
it's a
see.
bear flag, it's just gonna range from the top to the bottom, right? So
Yeah, that is also true, yeah, but we don't know that yet. So we are actually front running the bear flag in the making.
yes, absolutely. Couldn't have said it better.
Yeah, nice curvature on this Thursday, and usually this plays out. Now the question is um how much of a move we can get from here lower. We have support here in terms of SMA and EMA on both 3 minutes and 5 minutes. Mm,
But order here, if it can make it there, if it can make it back down to the next key level I have, then I'll take that bounce. For sure, I'll take that bounce. I just hit one more trade off of a 15-minute consolidation area where I figured it would bounce. And I just wanted to come down a little bit more. I think my entry is at 32, what is that? 31.98. So it's almost there. Oh, it's moving fast. I don't like how fast it's moving. So 31.98.
31. 9. Okay, okay.
Yeah, I have some consolidation to act as a support to make it bounce right into my take profit. And that's all I really need is just, I call this like the heavy bounce strategy, you know? Just trying to catch these little bounces for 200 bucks a bounce. But the only problem is when price gets momentum into one of these areas, sometimes it pushes through really hard and you don't get that bounce. The bounce gets delayed. Like I don't like how it's going up for air, so it can get a lot of momentum to jump down into my trade. But I have a stop loss. That's what it's for.
Hmm. Exactly that.
Almost there, almost there. A little further, a little further. And wick me in, wick me in, wick me in, wick me in.
Don't tell me you're
Oh,
looking for long here because I'm short.
yeah. I'm looking for 2 points. 2 points long because I just wanted
Two,
to bounce.
three. Okay.
So yeah, that's that right
I
there. I
can
would have
give you
moved
2 points from here.
appreciate it. Appreciate it, my brother.
Now let's see.
I do not like this. It came too close to my entry and then bounced. Kind of want to cancel it. Let's see. See if my intuition was right or if I'm just bugging.
I'm gonna close this.
That was a good short though that you caught. You were right about that.
Right, yeah, yes, but I don't like the position where I go in. So this might also come back up, make a lower high, and then continue because I'm on very small time frames, right? So you
Oh
have to
yeah.
be quick. It's difficult to catch the top, and yeah, I'm out. I will close it. And look, freaking trading view. I hate trading on this thing. The delay is so bad. I need like 2 seconds to get out of the position. Crazy, crazy.
Mm-hmm.
I could have made this back. I made. Okay. Okay.
Get in there. That would have been a good spot to get in, but
Yeah.
doing this or oh, okay. My key level's a little off. I'm gonna cancel that. I don't like that. It's gonna push through a little hard. Gave me all the chances in the world to take that 2 point long. I got it about 3 or 4 times right there.
You want to share your screen?
Yeah, yeah, I'll show you. I'll show show the people what's going on right here. Wow, I've made $1,000 so far. Just scalping 200 at a time on NQ.
Not too bad. Not too
Not
bad
too
at all.
bad. Yep, yeah. It's a pretty good strategy. I'm not gonna lie, but you have to know what you're doing. See, like I'm looking for areas of consolidation here. Like price touches this. Now I'm on a 15-minute time frame. I need strong areas here. Like right now, I'm gonna hit this
Order
long
filled.
because we just broke through my key level. I could get stopped out. I could, but we just broke through my key level, and I think that it's gonna bounce because it's its first time retesting this. And if I'm a buyer, I would go long here, right? So I just need 2 points. I need 8 ticks, and I don't know if I'm gonna get it.
So my trade actually played out. It went lower.
It did.
Yo.
Order
Push,
filled.
push,
I
push.
lost my mojo, Jojo. I lost my sixth sense.
Spread is not helping.
Yeah, no, not at all. Carlito is back
Probably.
to the party.
Yeah. So I got one contract out already in profit, but it didn't take all my contracts. That's
Order
another
filled.
problem. Boom. Okay,
You were
cool.
right. Nice, bro.
Yeah.
Nice.
There you go.
Nice. Very nice.
That was another $200 off of that key level. So that was good.
We might
I,
continue here. This is a
yeah.
5 minute 14 SMS. So let's see. I will look for maybe along here, or it might have been just a fake out and continuation lower.
Yeah, I
Because
think it
if you
was
look
just
at the 5 minute, yes, we bounced. We had this initial bounce from the 14 SMA, but they are spaghetti. They're going up, down, up, down. So
Mhm.
let's see. I
Yeah.
might,
If it pushes through this level, we're also going to get a nice momentum push that I might take a short on.
yeah, I agree. I agree. I'm thinking like if I see a bounce here, I might go long, but if we come to the lows again, I might short the bottom here again. Because as you said, if we see a push down, it's gonna be a big one here.
You guys want to
Yeah,
look at the 2, and then this is the trend line right here on that little trend we have.
Yeah, but what do you mean?
yeah,
You're looking for longs or shorts?
for
No,
long.
I'm neutral right here, so this could be a very good place for longs, but then this could be the break. We're
I'm
pretty much
short.
already line. Yeah, so
I
short.
fired the shot. I'm shorting the bottom
Yeah, short's
again.
good.
I mean, on
Yeah,
5 seconds, it's the bottom. So
I like it. I like it. I'm scared of it though. I'm not gonna lie.
well,
NGL, I want
fear
to see a
makes no
candle
money.
close.
Let's go. Whatever happens is
Yeah,
good. We just laid out our thesis, and let's see. It can be a win or it can be a loss. But hey, let's go.
let's go.
I'm gonna wait. Oh, actually, I was gonna say I'm gonna for this in 5 minutes, but it just started a new one. Okay. So you're probably gonna get a nice push up and a push down, and then if it's gonna be a fake out, it's gonna be right in about 3 or 4 minutes before this 5 minute candle closes.
Yeah, I think that short would have cooked, bro. It would have cooked if I took it up there. I would be another $200 up right now.
Yeah,
But I
you would.
don't
Yeah,
know.
with three
Yeah,
contracts. Yeah, exactly. I'm 35 micros. I had 200 here. I will leave it a little bit. Shall I leave it a little bit longer? Or I should just cut it.
I mean, just getting started. I mean, according to the charts
You know what? I'm 280. I will put my stop loss here, 200 stop loss or whatever. If
and profit, that's a good one. Yeah,
yeah, no, actually 150. Okay, not a bad call. Yeah, perfect call.
up down.
Mm,
in profit.
in
Yeah.
profit. Yeah, yeah. So I mean, scalping on 5 seconds. It's different.
Yeah, there's a war going on right here on the charts. Like the buyers and sellers are deciding, are we gonna break out of this flag to the downside, or are we gonna go up and sweep the highs first and then break down? Or is this the beginning of because Los, I don't know if you were here, but I did the fibs and this is the 38.2 where we stopped and reclaimed. We broke the 38.2 and then we reclaimed it. And if we go up from here, it'd be a perfect bullish retracement.
Okay. So we'd be up at the five. What is the other one? The right above the 32,
Yeah, the
5.
38.2. And we're headed towards the 50 would be around like
Yeah.
33.20, the 50%. So that's a nice long right there.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Okay.
Smells like it.
And you charted the fares on which time frame?
I did it on the hourly and the 4 hour.
Okay.
So I was looking at this is like a big head and shoulders from the top of today, from the top of, NQ's recent highs to where this rally started on the 4 hour. So you can kind of see it's pretty much gone straight up on the 4 hour, but this has broken that trend. So I did the fibs from the beginning of that and then also to the middle of it because there was kind of like a consolidation. So um I'll redo it in a sec. It's kind of hard to explain.
I kind of like, is that the way that Jack also plays around with the fibs, or is it a different way?
No, I learned how to fib from Jack.
Wow. Okay. Hey, that's awesome, bro. Hey, can I like to see that? Because I don't I don't know. I don't know how to fib or chart my fibs really good on that trade. Or I do, but I don't know if it's right. I really don't.
I mean, I don't know.
So.
What I learned with Phipps, it's like, yeah, I mean, and Jackie does it good because it's from pivot highs to pivot lows, right? You have to find a significant highs and significant like swing highs and swing lows.
Mm-hmm.
And I fired up along that it's playing out nicely here. So let's see. I should start taking my profits here based on my rules. But I need a sell limit, not a buy limit. Let's not make that mistake again.
So Los, I had one fib start here
Okay, hold
because
on.
of this consolidation.
I wasn't looking at your screen. Hold on. Give me a second. Okay,
All
I'm
right, so
watching.
I had one fib start here, right? And boom, right from there to there. This is the 4 hour. The reason I did it is because this was kind of the start of a rally here, right? So you could say that this rally started here at this double bottom. And this would be, you see how it broke the 38.2, but then it reclaimed it. So we never closed a 4 hour candle below the 38.2. All right. And so this could be the perfect place for us to go back up. And this would help us to maintain the bullish structure. And then we just gonna make a higher high from here. All right.
Yeah.
So that's the first fib. The second scenario, the second bullish scenario is, of course, if we take it from all the way down here.
Mm-hmm. That's
All
how
right.
I would do from
Yeah.
what I look
And
at.
that makes sense. And that's really the more reasonable theory. But right now, it's behaving as if the first theory is valid, until it's not, right? So, boom, we have this one. Now, if this is the real deal, then you see there's confluence with the levels over here. We could easily come down to 29,450, and that could be a safe, healthy pullback. And then if we go up from there, we're still bullish. So yeah, those are the two
Okay.
bull cases. Um, and if we come all the way down, then it's just a head and shoulders. Like all of this could be the left shoulder. This is the head. We could come down and start to make the right shoulder and consolidate for a few days. And then boom, come on down.
Boom shakalaka.
Dope, dope, dope. Thank you, man. Thank you.
For
I
sure,
appreciate
man.
it. What is that you have down there? Um,
But down here,
also, yeah, what is that?
that's the MACD. It doesn't look like it, but it's just the MACD, which is on the 4 hour, the MACD is flipping bearish and we're crossing the zero line. So I don't know if you guys took like Mark's course, but he teaches about how when the MACD crosses the zero line down here, that means we're more likely to get heavy, strong, bearish moves. But if the MACD is above the zero line, then the bulls have an advantage. So we're right in the area where the bears are starting to gain an advantage on the 4 hour. So if we do break this fib, everything has confluence for us to go ahead into scenario two.
Mm-hmm.
So I would be swinging some puts if we break this fib.
Cool.
Yeah. So that's that. But yeah, I'm just looking for scalp opportunities. I'm happy right now. I'm 5 for 5.
Nice, nice,
Haven't
nice.
taken any losses on this account yet. Brand new account.
Nice. That's lovely. Let's keep it that way. That's lovely.
Yeah, yeah. Whatever I got to do. If I get all I need is like 4 trades an hour, and that's $1,000 an hour. Like, who earns $1,000 an hour, right? So let me
I
just.
don't know. I don't know. I don't know, bro.
It could be me. It could be
Yeah,
me.
yeah, absolutely.
If I
So
behave.
this, so it looks like that that first scenario I said on that this could be a nice place for launch.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Uh,
my
I,
long is printing right now, so let's
and
go. Let's
I,
push.
I,
Let's push.
I also said that if that 5 minute candle is gonna give you that little push down and then probably close right at the trend. Same thing happened. Oh man, I hate, but I didn't play. I was
Gotta
grabbing
love
it,
it.
Let's
and
go,
All right.
Nicholas
guys.
told me not
I
to.
secured 500. I'm another 1400 up here.
This is the 200 EMA, Nicholas.
Putting
I
the
mean,
stop loss just here in profits. Okay, I'm stopped from half of the position. Stop loss at break even, so we can continue or we can stop me. I don't mind. I made, I made, wow, okay, I secured, I think, 1250 here altogether.
My damn screen is lagging, so I gotta do a limit order. But if I can get wicked in here, I think I got another good trade right here.
Okay, I'm out. I'm out. I made 1298. That's good. I like that.
That was great, bro.
That
That was
was
great.
amazing. That was amazing. And now we will continue probably, but I had to scalp because I took, I mean, I went a little bit heavy. I went 45 contracts and then I scalped half and then I added 20 more and I scalped most of it out. So my entry, of course, went higher. So I had to cut it in the profits because right this pullback here would have costed me a lot. So I think this was good. Now let's see what will happen. Now let's see what would happen. 30 seconds is telling me we might come back down actually because we are losing the EMAs and they're curving down. Um,
We
but
got four
I
minutes.
but I actually 15 seconds gave me a bearish div here, so we might come down actually. We might come down actually. Sounds
The Bears
crazy.
are keeping this candle alive, bro.
Yeah, yeah. But excuse me. But 5 minutes has no 5 minute candle has no upper wick, so mixed signals, mixed signals. I would have preferred that we continued higher just because the price action would be a little bit more clear.
I think we are going to continue higher. This looks like a trap. It's like a bear trap.
Yeah, I'm just not seeing any time frames giving me some entries right here. Earlier, it was a nice entry, again based on 15 and 5 seconds. And I was listening to you actually, what you were saying based on 5 minutes. So altogether, it gave me a nice confluence and I went in. And this might be a nice entry for a long. But let's see, I don't want to jump in anything because I just made nice profit. So I don't want to give it back immediately.
Yeah,
Yeah,
wait some time.
Yeah,
this is no man's land. Like right now, it can wick down and stop you out. It can wick
it can
up.
do whatever it wants, bro.
Exactly.
It does not care about our thesis, about our EMAs or anything else. And as I said, look again, 15 seconds bear divs are playing out, man. This is crazy.
Yeah,
Uh,
Nick is nice with these low time frames, bro. You be cooking, Nick.
Yeah, when I'm in the zone, then yeah, bro. I must say, I think I'm better with trading those tiny time frames than anything else, or
It's
very
def-
big time frames for calls and options. But those has to be like at least 6 to 8 weeks out. 6 to 8 weeks, yes, like 2 months out.
I would definitely put that in your playbook as your edge.
Yeah,
Got,
100%.
got a
I
nice
have to
edge.
agree with that. I have to agree with that. Um, yeah, lower time frames and market cipher B for me it just works. So when price is moving, right? If it's not moving, then I get chopped up.
Wow. This candle closes like this. It is not looking pretty, but
Yeah.
it's still above a level for me. So We'll see. We got 1 minute.
Oh wow. Okay.
The Bears are pretty determined to show out right here.
Mm-hmm. What is it? Oh no, it's okay. Hour and a half until London Open. Okay. Okay. So we might come up to fix this 5 minute high because it's a complete engulfing candle. There's no upper wick at all and barely any lower wick. So I'm tempted to go scalp long here. I might be very wrong.
Then, no, I think you're right.
No,
I think we're going up.
no, but
Um, we closed above a level. Oh, look at that push.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I was just about to push the button too. Okay. I think it's gonna push.
I mean, okay, that's that should be
My
okay.
God, this is lagging. I pressed buy, bro, but it's not.
Yeah, it's lagging for me too a little bit.
The spread is terrible too. The spread is getting worse. Okay, limit orders, limit orders, limit orders, because what the fuck? Okay, we broke above this level. I just want to see us retest it. I'm gonna get in like that. If
Okay,
we can retest.
at $700, I'm out.
You're
It
cooking.
continues. This could have been more, but okay. I made another. Okay, 1680 altogether right now. Lovely.
Come on, keep it up. Keep it up. I want 10K day today. Nick, come on.
Oh, that's too much. That's too
Uh,
much.
if you keep it up,
My highest day ever was 5K.
but think about it. You're gonna take a good amount more trades today. I know it.
Uh,
And don't lose some, or you cut your losses. I mean, you should be fine because you're in profit already.
yeah,
You're taking
yeah.
600, 900 every trade, so I don't see why
I
not.
mean, it was, hey, and the crazy part is I had so many, like, many trades that I was up for 600, and I'm not taking profits. And then I get stopped at break even while I'm listening, Don taking 200 profit, 200 profit, 200 profit, and he's 1,000 up.
What do
So
you
again,
think
it's,
about once you're already up a certain amount, let's say 1,000? You take a trade and you minimize your loss, and if you're in profit, you move your stop loss. That way, whatever you can, if it stops you out, it stops you in profit. And now, I know you want to let the trade run, but now anything else is extra for after that 1,000 you get.
yes, after a nice profit, yes. So
Right.
my unwritten rule is if I see 1,000 on the profits, I'm taking some out no matter what, right? Even if there is potential to go 3 times higher, I'm taking some out. And then depending on the market structure, I'm not putting necessarily stop loss immediately to break even or in profits because I will take at least half of the position out, right? So even if I get stopped now, I'm still winning. But if the market
Order
structure
filled.
makes a nice push up and then we come down to make another, let's say I'm long and we have a push up, I take profits, it comes down and makes a clear higher low. I could add to a position and then put my stop loss to break even.
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
I can win more or I
Order
will
filled.
just win what I already won.
All right, I just won another trade. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Whatchamacallit?
Nice.
I feel that. So remember, Nick, we were watching that 3 hour thing with the best futures traders in the world by
Yeah.
payout. So their rule was, or not all of them, but a few of them agreed on their rule was if they're up for a session, they'll only
Mhm.
risk up to 60% of their profits.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. Yes. Makes perfect sense.
And I like that. I should start doing that now.
Yeah. Now, if you're up, I don't know how much you are up.
Yeah.
Uh,
1,500 so far, so
let's go.
that
So
means I can risk like 800.
if you lose 500,
Yeah,
you're done.
I'm done. That's it. Yeah.
And can you block the account on Lucid?
Well, it's end of day drawdown, so I would have to go down to 45.5 in order to blow it.
Yeah, no, no, I'm not talking about blowing the account. I'm talking about like locking it out so you cannot take the trade, like on Top
Oh,
Step.
oh yeah. No, I don't think you can. It doesn't have a lockout feature, but
Hmm.
I got enough discipline to leave this thing alone and come back
Okay,
another day.
perfect, perfect. That would be a perfect end of the week. So,
Yeah, I got a busy ass day tomorrow anyway, so I really got to go at 2 o'clock sharp.
okay,
And
okay,
you
sounds
know,
good.
tomorrow if I get a chance to trade, I do, but I'm not
Yeah,
really pressed
tomorrow
about it.
is for you. Tomorrow is Friday. Yeah, I'm already in
Yeah,
Friday.
yeah.
No, I
Well, yeah,
see these mistakes cost me. Instead of setting a limit, take profit, I add to a position, bro. Oh, dang it. Okay. I cut it on time, so it was just a minimal loss, but bro. Ah, okay, let's try this again.
$1,000 an hour. That's my goal. And just take it easy. I mean, really, you got to think of how greedy I would be to ask for more than $1,000 an hour.
Mm.
Mm.
Even though I've done it plenty of times before. Plenty of times before. My goodness. I remember back when I don't know why they don't do 300K accounts anymore, but they used to.
Oh,
And
okay.
when they had 300K accounts, I made like 6 grand in a day one time, but the goal was 12K on those accounts.
Oh, okay. And there goes my long without me. Wow,
18. It was 18,000. That's what it was.
18,000. Okay, that's crazy
Yeah.
number. That's crazy number.
Yeah, they stopped doing those. They stopped doing. I don't know why, but no one does 300Ks anymore, so it's a
There
shame.
must be a reason.
Oh yeah, people were losing a lot of a lot of the prop firms' monies. That's fucking wild. They probably only give those to like live accounts. Like, oh, if you got a live account,
But
sure.
from what I understand, live accounts are even worse than this funded because they are cutting their winners.
Sheesh.
You know, like
Oh God,
you made too much money, you're out.
God forbid I make 5 payouts back to back, and now you guys want to restrict my trading.
Yeah.
Oh man, I need these charts to wish me a happy birthday.
When's the day again?
June 18th.
Ooh, it's coming up, bro.
Yeah, right
Coming
around the
up.
corner, bro. Right around the corner. I'm gonna take a short at the top of this. We're making like a morning star. All right, so I'm gonna take a short for 8 6 at the top of the morning star candle. So that way, when we reject the top, then I'll take profit.
Mm.
And that'll be another 300, $200. The old man would be proud. Carlos, you actually taught me this strategy by teaching someone else this strategy.
I didn't teach him that. He just figured that out himself.
You're like our mentor, bro.
Oh, I'm not even close. Mm.
Closer
uh,
than you think. Closer than you think.
yeah,
I
right.
come in here to learn from you guys, man.
Yeah, it's something about, having a great attitude and positive energy that transcends skill.
Mm.
And
Yeah.
apparently discipline's a big deal too, because the old man has more discipline than all of us, apparently.
Yes, it seems so. Yeah.
Not really. Today he told me that he was down. I don't know how he was down this much, but he swears he was down 3,500,
Yeah.
and then I don't know how he didn't blow the account if he was down 3,500.
Yeah, that makes no sense, bro.
Does
And
he
then
have
today again,
ended? Yeah, I
he
don't know if he
actually
has ended any drawdown or something.
Even if he had end of day like on under 50K, your max drawdown is what 4,500.
25,
So
25.
only if he had like a 150K account.
Yeah, no. And then he actually showed me a picture where he was down 2,300 also, and he still didn't blow it. So I don't know, but
Well,
then he makes it crazy.
if it's end of day drawdown and he was like down, then that's okay. But I don't know. It couldn't be ended. I don't know. But yeah, what were you
Yeah.
saying?
Well,
Yeah, it is end of the day, but if you go below the limit, you're done.
Yep. Maybe they're giving them some leeway because you got to pay out. Who knows? Because he's so consistent. All right, 5 minutes. I need you to turn into a morning star. That's what it looks like you want to do. This would be a perfect morning star, like textbook. But
where is that? I
I'm on
went
the
to the.
15 minute.
Oh, okay, okay. I went to the 15 to the 5. I'm like, what? Where?
Yeah,
Oh,
well,
yeah.
like if this candle turns into a bullish engulfer, then boom, we have a morning star.
Mm-hmm. I'm in longs right here.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Be honest. I'm just gonna short the top, which don't try this at home.
Mm-mm.
Wow, I put 7 contracts. You only fill 2 of them. That's not nice. I,
Hmm.
Let's see if we will just fix this 5 minute no upper candle, no upper wick candle and reject, or we continue actually going higher. Or we don't even do that and we reject from here and
Bro, earlier it played out perfectly on NQ where we came and repaired a 5 minute candle.
yeah,
And
now I
then
want to go short and I'm late now. Okay, let's see what we can do here.
also learned that repair the thing you guys mentioned about repairing candles. I didn't know this, man. So I'm telling you, I'm yes, thank you.
Bro.
By the way, on that 15 minute, just something to keep in mind, I guess, Donovan, I have the 4 candles back that wick and the rejection.
mhm, yeah,
Uh, exactly where I have the 800. Okay, the 800 EMA is there, and that's on a 15 minute, so that's a strong one to pass, I guess, through. But once we
yeah,
right from there, I mean, you don't even have to look at the 800, but you can zoom out and you can see after past that, we're gonna get going.
that's what's up. Well, yeah, I'm just shorting it, so I'm hoping we go touch the 800 and then reject hard, and boom, that'll be another $200 for me.
That's very possible. Possible that plays out exactly like that.
Yep, yep.
But if we pass that 800, it's gonna be looking for longs.
Oh yeah. If
Hopefully,
it can just close a 15-minute candle above that, then we're in business. We're in business, but this is starting to look like a I don't know. I'm looking. I want to say it's like a pennant, but hmm, I don't know, bro. Whoa, what the hell is that?
Yeah, you heard that too? Okay, I thought it's my internet.
Yeah, Carlos sounded like a super villain or something.
or what? It's me.
Yeah,
Your line broke.
yeah, something was going on with your connection. You sounded like, I don't know.
Well, I'm short here. Let's see. Again, shorting the bottom like the last time. Let's go. Now flush. No? Flush like and Valentini would say. Let's go. Nah, probably not. Taking too much time.
Yeah, the slow, low volume moves, they're scary. The spread is getting wider.
Yeah, which is crazy on futures.
Yeah, NQ has like a 5 tick spread right now. It's crazy. Okay, I'm about to go long.
Hmm.
About to go long. If we can just come a little bit lower, right here, right here, right here. Let me close this and mark it long. Fuck. A little lower. Turn red, turn red, turn red, turn red. There we go.
Order filled.
All right.
I
I'm
think
on.
be careful here with longs. I mean,
See, am I
looks
gonna take my
Stop
first
filled.
L? I might take my
Stop
first
filled.
L. I took my first L of the session. Hey.
Okay. Risk to reward was there, so.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm liking more shorts now than longs, man.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm in
Shorts are
short.
gonna print right now. We just closed below a key level. Can't see it here, but if you look left, it was an important key level before. So, yep. Now shorts, it's their turn. Just want to see us retest it. So I would like to get in right at the close of that last candle. Here we go.
What?
Perfect, perfect, perfect. Right here. Come on up. Might be too late. Yeah, it's taking off on us now. Come on.
Are you playing longs?
No, I'm trying to go short.
Oh, you're trying for it to come up to feel you. Okay.
Yeah. I just want a good entry.
I had a not very nice entry, so I'm already in.
Uh,
See, let's see what it. They could very well just on a few minutes wake it right back up, man. So 10-minute
so
candle, 4 minutes till this 10-minute. But if it closes like this, shorts it is. Come on.
You
feel
might
bad
get
for
your
anyone who's,
entry.
um, yeah, I might get it. Might get it. My
You
entry is
might
at
you might have just missed it.
yeah, I'm at 3196.50. So that's where I'm trying to short. I needed to go up
Okay.
10
Okay.
pips.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's already done what it's gonna do to the upside.
Yeah,
So
you got this spike up. Let's see what's happening here. Wait. Okay, nothing. All good.
3 minutes.
I should probably. Let's go.
Cause it's not going right here.
Yeah,
It's
it's
stuck.
some kind of a
So that
resistance
kind
or
of
support here.
there's all that consolidation to the left. It's
Yeah.
just got to push through that. But once it pushes through, it's going.
Yeah, if it pushes down, then it's lights out. I should probably start taking my profits here. I'm a little bit. I want to maximize the position, but okay, I took 10 contracts out, and now we can flush. Come
here
on,
we go. Going
Yeah, it's about to get ugly.
ugly.
to the dirt, like Al says.
Oh,
To the
the
dirt.
dirt.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, 2 minutes to this 10-minute. What are you gonna do?
She's doing her little wiggle thing.
There we go.
Come on. Nice. I can only imagine having 45 contracts does to this little price action here.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa,
Oh,
whoa,
there we go. And they want to wick it right back in.
whoa,
Whoa,
whoa, whoa. I went back down.
that was a good entry. It took that.
Well, I don't know if it's a good entry or a sign to go out from the short.
I think it's just coming up for air so we can blast through the bottom.
Like what I hear.
Yeah, me too.
Okay. 10-minute close. Let's see. Very close.
A strong drop,
Okay.
right? It was a strong drop.
Yeah,
But come to
that's nice.
197. I'm sorry, I need 196.50. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh,
uh,
that would be a little bit too high for my comfort zone. I would still be green, but no.
yeah, tell me about
My
it.
entry is 198.50, so
Sheesh. Yeah, it's like a hair away.
yeah. Well, actually, I could even put my stop loss above the previous 5-minute candle because I guess we are one time framing down now. At least I would like to see that, and we have a new candle. So let's push down. Let's push down.
It's coming.
Come on. Come on.
Oh
Look at
yes.
that. Look at
Oh
that.
yes. Oh yes. I want to add at the bottom, like a real degen.
This is a on the 5-minute. This is like a double top right
Yeah,
here where we're at, or not where
yeah,
we're at, but I mean pattern,
yeah.
which will have us been coming down at least to where it's like that 148 area, at least.
And if we break out of this pattern, if we can break the bottom and break out of this pattern, then we're going pretty low. But if it's really a bear flag, we're due sideways for a little bit longer. Who knows
Oh
what
yeah,
we're looking at right now?
come on, baby, keep pushing. Are you up already 3,000, Nicholas?
1500.
The difference, man. I'm only up $100.
Yeah, but with how many contracts?
3.
Then it's not comparable. And what is your stop loss?
um, I have my stop loss at 205.
Yeah, I mean, but the value, how much would that be?
I don't even know. The
Uh,
trading view doesn't show me.
yeah, yeah, I know.
But I mean, based off of where I'm at on wins, I would say it's like around 200.
Okay, okay. I mean, right now my stops are in profit, so let's one more push down. I will take profits here.
I
I'm
just moved.
taking profits here. Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes,
that's
sir.
a nice push. Let's go.
Take profits. 10 out. 10
Another.
more out. 10 more out. Okay. Okay.
Oof, keep pushing. Keep pushing.
Yeah,
Did
that
you
kind
hop
of
in
killed
with
the trend theory right there. Now I'm still waiting. I'm
it?
waiting. If I take
Uh,
one more L, I gotta call it a night. But it's almost 2 o'clock anyway. But I'd like to leave on a good note. Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. I love that for y'all.
Thank you. Thank you. I will take 15 more here. Thank you.
uh,
Partial fill. Take my money. Thank you.
okay.
Thank you. Okay, I'm down to 15 runners. Let's go. I'm up. Well, I gave most of the profits back earlier, so ah,
5 grand.
460, 1800 altogether. But you know what? Well, you know what's funny? Now I think we might actually reach if everything of we might even revisit the lows and touch 30K here. So we have another 100 points to the downside potentially. So I think 15 runners. If I see more profits, I will probably scout more out. But if this dumps, it will be nice.
I agree with you, man.
Damn it. It didn't come get me. I tried to put my entry right below that consolidation and it just wouldn't
Yeah,
let
it
me.
already broke. It already broke. So if you look at the previous 5 minute candle
Yeah.
and then this 5 minute candle wick, that was your entry, and that was when we said like you might have just missed your entry.
Yeah.
That was
I was
it.
at 173.50 and it just left without me. Fudge.
So now let's see. My stop loss is in profit, but it's inside this 5 minute candle, so I don't like this
Order
one. Let's
filled.
dump before now.
Oh, shit.
Stop filled.
It will
Whoa.
it will stop me probably.
All right. I'm
No,
done.
it
I
won't.
got, I just got taken out. It took me out, yo. It was bad. It was real bad. I was doing good and then I wasn't. Two
What you
L's
mean?
back to back. Well,
You
no,
went?
they just don't. I just hit my stop because I tried to get wicked in and it just blew through and stopped me out.
Oh,
Damn.
immediately. That's
Yeah, that push up did it for me. Wasn't as safe as I thought. Man, but it's trying to break that bottom.
Order filled.
yeah. I think, and look, this was a new 5 minute candle open. It spiked up, and there's no lower wick. So I would, if I had to bet, we're coming back down.
Order filled.
And it
Order
also
filled.
almost stopped me.
Order
It
filled.
almost stopped me. 180, 125. The high of the candle was what? 180.50. So less than a point away from my stop loss. Come on down, baby. Come on down.
I was trying to re-enter at the touch of that the ADMA on the 2 minute, but it didn't quite come to feel. Needed 2 hairs.
Yeah, this thing is just dropping something fierce. It's not coming touching no EMA. It's just dropping. Well, you
Yeah,
probably got to go if you want an EMA touch entry. You probably got to hit the 1 minute.
It was very close. It was very close. Let me go hit.
Yeah,
Let me go. Oh yeah, the 1 minute did hit. It actually passed.
yeah. Yeah. But sooner or later, it's gonna break through that 1 minute EMA and move up to the 3 minute EMA. And then maybe even the 5. I don't think if it's really gonna drop, then it's gonna be scared of the 5 minute 9 EMA.
oh, I set some more take profits here at 157. No, a little bit lower, 154. And then this week down at 125.50. And then the last one will be at the lows 30,060. 30,060.
Wow, bro, XRP to the dirt. What
How
trash.
much is it?
Garbage.
How much is XRP
Well,
right now?
Robert just told me.
XRP is
Where?
back at 2 cents.
No, 20 cents.
Yeah, what? That'd be crazy.
Where
No,
is
no.
XRP then?
At 112 right now.
Ah, okay.
That is trash. Wow.
All the XRP army are pissed the fuck off.
I
Maybe
um,
they don't even care anymore.
no, I bought like a couple hundred worth at $1.50. So I was like, it's a good pullback.
Pago, it's a good risk to reward. What I mean, even if it goes to $5, like,
Mhm.
and with crypto, when crypto starts moving again, look, expect a lot of things.
Yeah, I think $5 is a realistic like 5-year goal. In 5 years, to 5 extra money is great.
I mean,
I just want to double my parents' money, bro. They bought in at 325.
Yeah.
Man.
but you can
But
average in then, though.
bro, but I freaking told them buy in, but I buy it, buy it, whatever. And
They
then
should DCA.
now they're scared. Now they're like, no, yeah, right. That things. I'm just one my. I mean, they don't really bug me about it, but they're like, no. Whenever it just comes back to me, just take my money out. And I mean, I'm still in profit, bro. I bought it at 40 cents, so
So you're good. You're on
no,
tripping, but you're good.
yeah, but if profits at 3 something, whatever, it's the top. I messed up. Um, I didn't take anything honestly. Actually, yeah, I did sell a thousand shares or 1,000 XRP. But yeah, that's all I really want. I could care less about
Oh,
mine.
what a push up. I'm stopped.
Order filled. Order
I'm
filled.
stopped out in profits.
Nice. I took a short off with 3-minute 9 EMA and
Mm,
another $200 secured.
I
nice.
have an entry at the 5 minute EMA. I mean, at the 5 minute, yeah, at the 5 minute ADMA. I don't know if it's gonna wake me in and then probably not be a good trade anymore, or is it like I want to push right here?
Knows.
Hmm. I'm gonna
What
cancel that.
will it, what will it do next? Yeah, it's almost at the 5-minute 9. Will that reject there? It couldn't even touch it though. Couldn't
Oh,
even get there. Got
little.
close.
Yep.
Didn't touch it.
I was too scared. I put my entry higher. If not, I would have got wicked in. Oops, I'm in now.
Ooh, that would have been
Oops,
good.
he said, oops.
He did it again. He got
I'm
wicked
oh,
again.
I was profit. All of a sudden, I wasn't. Okay, I don't like this anymore.
We're making a morning star on the
Oh,
pod. We got 3 minutes for this candle to close. So, ooh, that would have been a good entry, bro. I would have ate. I would have had my 200. That's all I needed.
for
Yeah,
shorts,
yeah, for
okay,
shorts.
I'm out. I'm out with
Man,
thirty
this
dollars.
sucks. I just closed my trade in profits and it took actually my money. The spread is that bad. Bro.
Ah, that would have been a nice entry.
Oh my gosh,
Wait,
that thing
Ah,
exploded. Oh, it exploded right there.
XRP,
Pause.
it's a 1 year low. Wow, trashy ass thing.
you're still
Ain't no
talking
wire. How
about
bullish?
XRP or what?
Huh?
You're still talking about XRP or?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 'cause I just got another Robinhood notification. XRP hits a 1 year low.
Dun, dun, dun. They're trying to encourage people to buy it. That's never a good sign.
I might just stop my. I have a recurring investment on that thing.
Oh no, DCing is good, bro. One day you'll look at it, you'll appreciate it. I think you will, but you never know.
NFA.
NFA. And just in case my advice ruined your life, not a big. Yeah, I don't really mean
I mean, no, I don't got no like
it.
that. I have 5,000 of XRP, so I mean, it's cool. Where if it goes to whatever, I'll be
Yeah,
nice. But
yeah, I'm pretty sure it'll bounce
Yeah,
back.
my.
It'll bounce back. Once the real issue with crypto is the Clarity Act got pushed back, and did you guys hear Trump might have had a stroke?
I
Really?
kind of read some.
When?
Yeah,
Yeah, Trump might have had a stroke, they're saying. So he hasn't been
Rip.
seen publicly for like a week now. He's had like a bunch of showings, but all of them have been pre-recorded. So
What
gotta
the
watch
heck
that.
is happening, NQ? What are you doing?
Yeah, she's
Ooh,
pushing, bro.
She's going up and down.
ooh,
I
I'm glad
just
I got
need her
out.
to reject off of this one level. I just need her to come to this level and reject, reject,
We're about
reject.
to find out. We
The
might reject. 'Cause new candle is gonna start up, and we're holding this low.
fuck. Yeah, but the spread, eh?
I
It
need
took most of my
31.96.
profits. What the heck?
Yeah, the spread is terrible right now. I'm up. I'm trying to get in at
Order
131.96.
filled.
So I'm in now.
In short,
Yeah, I'm short.
Mm,
It's
pushing.
pushing pretty hard, so I don't know. I don't know about this one. I don't know about this one, guys. The Bulls are bulling.
The Bulls are bullying us.
Yeah, they're trying to bully me.
Order filled.
Did I? Oh, okay. I think, yeah, I just took profit. Hey,
nice.
all right.
Nice.
Well, I did. I entered at a key level. So my best trades with this strategy are when I enter at a key level. If I do anything else, it's kind of a gamble.
Mm-hmm.
So I got to be patient. All right. Well, I'm done. I actually broke my rule. I lost the magical amount, my 60, below 60% of my profits, and I kept trading, but I made it back.
Okay,
So
so you're
I
good.
am free to call it a night now. Thank you, all those out there in YouTube land. Let me see who the hell's watching, actually. Let me see how it's looking.
Looking good.
Hope you enjoyed this week's episode series of The Price of Patience, um, starring myself, Nicholas Carlos. Um, really appreciate everyone. There's 4 people watching right now. Sorry if we missed any questions. You watch me make $1,000. You watch Nick make $1,000. Carlos was just watching and learning, but he'll be back. He'll be back trading soon, so you can see Carlos in action. Tune in next week. We're gonna turn things up, get things a little more organized, and y'all are great, man. Just do me a favor though, because it really helps everyone else to see our channel. Just hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and really makes a big difference to help our channel to grow.
Hmm.
Uh, if we can get above like 500 subscribers, we'll do like a giveaway. Like we can give away like a futures account, like a 25K futures account. So you guys help share this live, or share this channel, subscribe, like everything, and you get us above 500 subscribers, and we can start doing some cool things.
Yes, sir. Sounds
Mhm.
good.
Oh.
Sounds good. Okay, guys, enjoy the weekend. And remember, price of patience is always less than a price of regret.